Hello, my name is Baljeet Chandok and I'm the Product Marketing Manager of Timing Products at IDT. Today, I will give you a brief introduction of our new low-power programmable clock family, VersaClock 5. VersaClock 5 is a low-power programmable clock generator with best-in-class jitter performance with less than 0.7 picosecond RMS phase jitter from 12 kHz to 20 MHz. The highly integrated device consolidates 4 differential or 8 single-ended clock generators and can store up to 4 different configuration settings, helping to minimize both space and bill of materials. It also has a buffered reference clock output. The high-performance clock generator operates at less than 100 milliwatts core power, 50% lower than competing devices, with typical total device power of 300 milliwatts with all outputs operational, helping to ease system thermal constraints and reduce operating power expenses. VersaClock 5 has 4 universal output pairs. Each output pair can be configured as HCSL, LVPECL, LVDS, or 2 LVCMOS outputs. VersaClock 5 is in-system programmable clock generator via I2C as well as IDT's Timing Commander software. The slide shows the block diagram of VersaClock 5. VersaClock 5 can take a crystal or clock input. It has 4 fractional output dividers which allow programming of 4 independent frequencies up to 350 MHz. The 4 universal output pairs are independently configurable as HCSL, LVPECL, LVDS, or dual LVCMOS outputs. It also features a reference clock output. The fractional output dividers driving each output pair are easily programmed via I2C while the device is operating in the system, enabling system tuning and margin testing. Unlimited in-system reprogramming is possible via I2C, whereas 4 banks of one-time programmable non-volatile memory provide flexibility for multi-project inventory consolidation or design changes in field. Upon request, devices may be factory programmed to customers' desired configuration. VersaClock 5 has excellent phase jitter performance with 610 femtosecond RMS phase jitter as shown on the phase noise plot. With RMS phase jitter less than 0.7 picoseconds over the full 12 kHz to 20 MHz integration range, the new device meets the stringent jitter requirements of PCI Express Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3, as well as USB 3.0 and 1 gig, 10 gig Ethernet. IDT's new Timing Commander software platform enables customers to configure program VersaClock 5 with an intuitive and flexible graphical user interface as you see on the slide. You can program the 4 fractional output dividers providing 4 independent output frequencies with 0 ppm error. You can configure universal output pairs as differential, LVDS, HCSL, LVPECL, or 2 single-ended outputs, as well as program each output independently with spread spectrum if needed. VersaClock 5 is useful in high-end consumer applications, networking applications, computing applications, industrial communications, broadcast video, and medical applications. The block diagram shows a typical application of VersaClock 5, which has a 125 LVPECL output for gigabit Ethernet, a 156.25 MHz LVDS output for 10 gig Ethernet, and a 100 MHz HCSL output for PCIe Gen 3, as well as a 25 MHz reference output. With all the different outputs operational and the crosstalk, including the crosstalk, we get 700 femtosecond integrated phase jitter from 12 kHz to 20 MHz. The key application issues solved by VersaClock 5 are shown on the slide. In summary, VersaClock 5 is a low-power programmable clock generator with best-in-class performance and design flexibility. It has excellent phase jitter performance over a wide range of frequencies, provides design flexibility with less than 0.7 picosecond RMS phase jitter from 12 kHz to 20 MHz. VersaClock 5 has significantly less power consumption, which enables easing thermal constraints in the system. IDT VersaClock 5 programmable clocks are ideal clocking solutions for a wide range of applications, replacing crystal oscillators, clock generators, allowing for in-system programming, saving BOM and board space, as well as improving time to market and shortening design time. IDT VersaClock 5 provides industry's most versatile, low-power clock generation solution for consumer, computing, industrial, communications, and networking applications. We have complete product support for VersaClock 5. We have a product brief, product data sheet, programming guide, evaluation board with user's manual, timing commander software with user's manual, product video, reference schematic available at the link shown on the slide. Thank you for your time.